Year after year, scientists, environmentalists, and millions of people worldwide watch with increasing alarm as the Earth, a living, breathing biosphere which has evolved over billions of years, strains under man's demands for natural resources. Today, more than ever, people are looking for sustainable alternatives to protect our environment for future generations. This was the inspiration behind the Piney Lakes Environmental Education Centre. Someday, we will all live in environmentally friendly, energy-efficient houses like the Piney Lakes Centre. People and the environment will reap the rewards of passive solar building design, renewable energy technology, biological wastewater treatment systems, and energy conservation. The completion of the Piney Lakes Environmental Education Centre is the fulfilment of a dream for many, including the City of Melville, the Rotary Club of Melville, and a large number of industry sponsors who have taken the project to heart. The reality of Piney Lakes started in June 1999 with the planning and construction phases.
Down.
The centre's location places it at the northern gateway to Banksia Regional Park. The park is 3,400 hectares of wetland, stretching 20 kilometres south from Melville. Piney Lakes Reserve includes recreation and landscape amenities, with a large conservation area that is being restored to its natural state of Banksia woodland. And here, right in the heart of the bushland, is the Environmental Education Centre, a working model for sustainable and alternative technologies. From the beginning, it was decided that the principles of conservation and eco-architecture required as many recycled materials as possible be used to minimise waste. Recycled power poles from the Melville area are conspicuous throughout the building. The pathway to the wind turbine is made from recycled road surfacing material, normally destined for landfill. The brick pavers used are made from fly ash, a waste product obtained from coal burning in powerhouses. Rammed limestone is used in all the external walls of the centre. Because the Piney Lakes Centre is located in a bushland reserve, particular attention was given to the conservation of biodiversity of the surrounding bushland. The normal practice of using chemicals to control termites was eliminated in favour of a stainless steel termite barrier system called Termimesh. This way, no toxic chemicals are used in the soil that could cause future harm to the environment. As well as the use of all natural materials, it was important that the architecture of the centre optimised the design and harmonised with the topography and trees on the site. By constructing some sections of the building below ground level, the centre takes advantage of the insulating capability of the surrounding soil. Earth-coloured materials complete the visual integration of the centre into the landscape. A computerised building management system controls all of the technological features used in the Piney Lakes Environmental Education Centre. The computer will display all of the energy requirements of the building in real time on a dedicated website, thus placing the centre on the international stage.
Well, we've created a building that's basically standalone, that incorporates state-of-the-art solar technology in passive and active forms. And that means that the building can be located anywhere on this planet and stay comfortable and be self-contained in the way of power supply, water supply, and recycling and minimising waste. The reason why the building has been economically powered by solar and wind is that it avoids the need for heating and cooling by using a number of design features. Well, the building has been shaped to face north to enable the passive solar features to be optimised so that we can keep the building 18 degrees minimum in winter and 28 degrees maximum in summer. The building uses a night ventilation system, which is an exhaust fan at night, to cool the building, and during the day ceiling fans circulate the air to maintain comfort and avoid the need for air conditioning. The solar air collectors are used to heat the air in the building and eliminate the need for fossil fuel for heating in winter. Well, the ram limestone walls store the energy, the coolness in summer and the warmth in winter. The coolness in summer comes from the night ventilation system during the summer months. Well, natural lighting has been maximised in the building. The northern windows, the southern windows and the clear-story windows that are basically facing north as well have been used to create an even ambience of light in the building. Artificial lighting is automatically dimmed when natural light is adequate, while low-energy lights are used to lower the power demand. The roof is constructed out of cool room panels, and above that is a parasol roof made out of corrugated iron, and the effect we get is an R3 or above rate of insulation, so the roof is highly insulated. Verandas have been used at Piney Lakes to shade the mass walls and also add an Australian character to the building. The solar verandas across the north have been designed to allow the winter sun at low angles to come through and passively heat the building and provide solid shade when the sun is at high angles in the summer. Having windows that are able to be open made a lot of sense, and we made sure that we're able to achieve natural comfort most of the year by simply opening the window.
All power used at the Piney Lakes Centre is generated by non-polluting renewable energy technology. The use of the wind and sun means no greenhouse gas emissions at all. By way of comparison, a normal building of this size would use approximately 12 megawatt hours per year. This building, by use of all the design features already mentioned, will use only 4 megawatt hours per year, a saving of 8 megawatt hours per annum. The 4 megawatts of power used are produced by renewable power systems, thus saving a total of 12 megawatt hours of conventional power generation. This equates to 12 tonnes of carbon dioxide gas that will not be emitted into the atmosphere. Everything, right down to the environmentally friendly composting toilets, has been designed to have little or no impact on the local environment.
The Piney Lakes Environmental Centre is a wonderful dynamic resource which we hope will encourage people to build more energy efficient homes and buildings which are more in tune with the environment as well as nature. This centre will give people an opportunity to learn about sustainable issues firsthand. They'll learn about bush, wetland ecosystems, renewable energy and biological waste treatment. The centre itself is a living, working educational facility run by committed staff and volunteers.
On the 24th of November 2001, the centre was officially opened.
I take a great pleasure in officially opening the Piney Lakes Environmental Education Centre.
This centre is a demonstration of how ideas and dreams can come into reality. In the future, we will need to develop more sustainable communities, and it's a concept which is growing rapidly in popularity. The City of Melville has a vision for sustainable communities. With the assistance of the Melville Rotary Club, the City of Melville has set up an environmental trust fund whose purpose is to research, educate and also provide publicity on sustainable issues. We at the City of Melville are proud of the part we played in this project, and we'd like to thank the Melville Rotary Club as well as WA Planning Commission, Western Power and a number of community groups who assisted us.